So first year was it was fun. I mean, I was a CR of the class, so it was seriously fun. We used to play. I used to play carom the whole day. I never used to study. I used to bunk lectures, but it was fun. So finally, this is the end of the year. I'm feeling bad because next year I won't be able to be the CR, and I won't be able to be in the study trip committee. So I'll miss everything, but it was fun.
After giving Nataka exam, like as everyone expects, even I expected that it would be a very difficult course, where the things would be only about buildings and all. But after coming to the first year and especially to Kamla Raheja, I get to know that the course is way different from what I thought about. And it was fun. Yeah, it was difficult also. The people out here are very I actually never even thought about getting into architecture at first. So when I finally decided that okay, let me try architecture, I never even knew what it was about. So I didn't have much expectations from the first year. I just expected one thing after getting into this course, and that was I'll probably realize what I want to do, because a lot of people told me that architecture is not only about building and things like that, it's much more. So I was like, okay, let me give it a shot.
Okay, so I always thought of taking architecture, and when I actually got into Krivya, I was really happy. And when I was preparing for the entrance test, it was all about like basic maths, and just general questions about the architecture in India or all over the world. So I thought that architecture might be like not so technical, because technical stuff is usually for engineers, but I didn't know that architecture would also be so technical. But when I got into college, I actually thought that I should go with the flow and not really expect anything, and just do things as they come. So yeah, I really enjoyed the first year of architecture, and I hope that the future years also go really well.
First year in college, expectations were like hard work, but no, Krivya is super awesome, super fun, and we did not realize how the projects were like fun plus hard work. Not only hard work, but they were really exciting, enthusiastic and amazing.
कॉलेज में आने के पहले मैं मतलब छोटे गांव से मुंबई आने का जो प्रोसेस मतलब जो था सब, वो सब बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगा था कि मुंबई ये सब वो सब। पहले स्टार्टिंग में लगा था कि मिक्स नहीं हो पाऊँगा सब लोगों के साथ, लेकिन यहाँ पे आने के बाद सब लोग इतने मतलब फ्रेंडली है, सब लोग अच्छे से बात करते हैं, सब लोग सब के साथ मिक्स हो गया अच्छे से। तो फर्स्ट ईयर कब ख़त्म हुआ वो समझ में नहीं आया, और सोचा नहीं था कि इतना सब सीखने मिलेगा फर्स्ट ईयर में। बहुत सब सीखने को मिला, तो अच्छा लग रहा है अभी फर्स्ट ईयर ख़त्म करने के बाद।
So when the college started, the first year was like it was difficult for us, as I wasn't able to understand what they actually were teaching. It was difficult, but at the end of the year, I find it very easy, and it was nice.
The first project, we didn't know what it was about, what were we doing. We just did what our guides told us to do, like okay, this is how you have to go about it, and do whatever comes to your mind. So the first project was pretty cool. Like we did things whatever came to our mind. It was very vague and no idea about what we were doing. Then second project, we got a little more clarity. And what did I do in design? I ate people's head. I really ate people's head around, like whether it be guides or my friends, because initially you don't know what to do. So like immediately after the design lecture, what we used to do was 3 or 4 of us group together and sit and just discuss what the project is and what are you going to do or what am I going to do. So yeah, that was like basically even in the second project we did not know what are we designing exactly, but by the end of the project we got a little more idea of what we were doing, and things started going better. The third project was even better, and then how it goes, that's how it is. Like as you realize what you're supposed to do, you probably keep figuring out things as and when you work.
The first year of architecture was basically general general information about architecture. So it has like just started. I've just started looking at things much more differently, and try to actually observe the architecture wherever I go. And like whenever I go anywhere, I always point out to things and try to guess what elements of those buildings it might be. So I think it's just a start, and I will explore more parts of architecture.
When I see my seniors, like they seem to be very tensed about their studies and all. Even I feel like that, but even I have noticed that also, that there were many night outs and all. So it seems fun, but academically it is going to go on a higher level. So everyone has to get prepared for the other stage.
The most exciting part of college was like every day of college is exciting because every day has something new. And the most exciting part was that after college we used to actually stay back and we used to play carom or play TT in the first semester. So we used to like hang out with friends till the evening. So that part was like, I think that was like the most fun. People used to stay back and we used to have lots of fun. The nights also that we used to stay back for BTech work and all, they were loads of fun. And the best trip was Savantwadi, because the batch actually became much more closer and we got to know each other better, and we, along with working, we also became much better friends. So I think overall the first year is like the most exciting year because we are new. So it's like we get to know our friends better and we get to know like everything. So
Okay, the most exciting part of college for me was the annuals. So during annuals, we had these exchange students coming in, and like I got a very first-hand experience of dealing with people who are not from our country, and like showing them the city, taking them around to places that even I did not know about. So that was fun. We took them to a lot of places. Like I went to Crawford Market where I had never been before. We made them eat at Bhagat Tara Chand. So it was a very nice experience to know what these people think about the country. Like as a country, India, what we stay here are not very, like that is what happens. Like when you have something, you don't really value it so much. But it's like those people who made me realize that how lucky we are to have this kind of a very rich culture and traditions and everything. So I remember these Bangkok people who had come here. So they were very enthusiastic about everything that was cultural. Like they wanted to apply mehndi, they wanted to buy kurtis and jhumkas and every damn thing that's very casual for us. So the annuals were a great part, and I think that was the best part of my first year.
The most exciting part was the study trip. Even the annuals, but the time we spent in study trip was the best time. Even we used to play, like the people in our class and first years are very enthusiastic about playing and all about sports. So we used to play cricket and all in the garden and the lawn and all. So that was fun, and bonding with different peoples from different backgrounds and colleges and fields was really great.
एक्साइटिंग पार्ट ऑफ कॉलेज एनुअल्स में जो मज़ा किया, बहुत मज़ा किया एनुअल्स में. स्टडी ट्रिप सावंतवाड़ी में दोस्तों के साथ बहुत मज़ा किया. नाइट आउट्स और दोस्तों के साथ घूमना, बाहर जाना, यही सब फैसिनेटिंग एक्साइटिंग पार्ट.
Exciting part of college, there's a long list. Firstly, exciting part of college, waiting after college. 3 बजे के बाद रात तक we can wait in college and it's like amazing. Full time pass होता है. हम लोग लॉन में क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, हम लोग पीछे स्टिल्ट्स में फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, हम लोग कैरम खेलते हैं, टेबल टेनिस खेलते हैं, सब कुछ होता है. इट्स अमेजिंग. सेकेंड बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ कॉलेज, not second but I can't compare, but yeah, annuals. Oh my god, annuals was super exciting because all of us had lot of fun interaction with seniors and थोड़ा बहुत ragging, freshers, ये वो सब कुछ exciting है. Faculty, don't ask. Faculty के साथ interaction, faculty के साथ सब lectures वगैरह, everything is exciting about Krivya, and I don't know, I boast about Krivya a lot, but yeah, I love my college, so everything is exciting for me.
Action! The exciting part was our study trip where we explored places. We went to different places, and we explored the ideas, and I could really come to know that what I can do, my abilities and everything. So the Strider was fun because he made new friends, and things change between us and our friends. So, it was fun.